Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filter on Canva. Adding a filter to an image in Canva is simple. Launch open the Canva application from your mobile device and then make sure to log into it. After you're inside the home page of Canva, open up your design or start up a new design that you want to add filters on. After you're inside the editing screen for your preferred design, go ahead and tap on the image on the preview. Now, from the menu at the bottom, look for filters and tap on it. Choose the filter that you want to apply onto your image from the menu and then tap on it once again for the selected filter to increase or decrease the intensity. Adjust the intensity slider if needed and then apply the changes onto your image. And there you have successfully applied filters to images or any other element, even a video on Canva. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.